Today, we're exploring the Common App mobile application designed to help students manage the college application process from their phone. The app allows you to search for colleges, request recommendation letters, write essays, submit first-year applications, and track deadlines all in one place. If you're a high school senior, the senior year can be overwhelming with academics, extracurriculars, test prep, and applications. The Common App mobile app aims to simplify things by letting you work on your application wherever you are. Let's walk through how it works. First, you download the app and sign in with your existing Common App account or create a new one if you're just starting. Then you set up your profile with your academic history, extracurriculars, awards, and personal details. Next, you can add colleges you're interested in, view their individual requirements, and manage application tasks right from the dashboard. One of the biggest benefits is you can stay on top of deadlines and see what still needs to be submitted. Missing a deadline can derail your college plans, so having this kind of oversight is a major plus. On the flip side, remember that the mobile app does not yet support every feature of the full desktop version. For example, transfer student applications might still need to be handled via a browser. So should you use the Common App mobile app? If you're applying to multiple colleges and want to streamline the process, reduce stress, and keep everything in one place, this app is a strong choice. If instead you prefer working exclusively on a desktop and don't really use your phone for productivity, you might not see as much benefit. To wrap up the review, the Common App mobile app delivers a much-needed mobile solution for a process that used to feel entirely desktop-bound. It gives you flexibility, organization, and convenience during one of the most important periods of your academic journey. Thanks for watching this overview. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more app reviews and educational tools. See you in the next video.